Hi again, it's Scott with No Room for Projects, and today we've got an interesting one for you. I've got a 1998 Ford Ranger, and it stopped going into park. This has happened a couple of times before. It's a quick fix. If you take it to the dealer, they're probably going to charge you $50 to $100 to take care of it, but it's just an issue of two screws that are loose down under the dashboard, and you can fix it yourself. This issue happens with Fords from 1997 to 2005, maybe even more than that, in a longer period than that, but it's something you can easily do yourself. I'll walk you through how to fix these. If you look down there, you can see that the line is not lined up to park, and sometimes it will start. Okay, it happens to be in the right place to start now. Generally, when I come out, when it's not quite into park, I have to pull it down into neutral before it'll start. Let's go into the dashboard and see what we have to fix. Okay, we're going up inside. So you can see one of those screws is part way out, and that's the whole problem. And if you just tighten that back in, it should go into park just perfectly. I don't know why they didn't make it so the screws wouldn't come out in the first place. Just tighten that in and we'll see how it goes into park. Just need a T30 head, your screw, and it says on the side what size they are. So just make sure that's what you've got. That's really the only tool you need, and get back under there and tighten it up a few turns and you should be good to go. The easiest way to get access is to lay on your back right here, and then you can reach up underneath and look up underneath and get access to where you need to go. Okay, now we're going to show you the result of tightening the screws. So back up there we go. Those are the two screws tightened. One looked loose, and I tightened that. Took quite a few turns to tighten it. And then I thought, well, the other one, it looks tight, but it went probably 10 turns to tighten. So I'd suggest you tighten both of them. I didn't put any thread lock or Teflon tape on either of them. I just got lazy. But if you don't want to have to do this again, you can put some of that on there and make it work. So now let's go up top and see if it'll go in gear and go in all the gears and go into park. Okay, here we go for the test. Okay, goes into every gear, works perfectly, goes back into park. Perfect fix. Easy fix, 5-minute fix. This is something you can do and relieve yourself of a problem that just bugs you to death. Thanks again for watching. I hope this helped you. I hope you can get your vehicle fixed. Like I said, it's a quick fix, one of those things that's tightening a couple of screws can take care of the whole thing. And if you like this, click like and subscribe and put a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video.